Technology is located in number 558 Great East Wall, Economic Development Zone, Yongkang City, Jinhua, Zhejiang Province. The company is a professional manufacturer of power tools since 2004. With step-by-step efforts, the staff started from 7 employees to 1,100 employees nowadays. During 15 years of hard working and constant development, the company is proud to be an innovative leader in the field of power tools. Zhengyang has a full line of power tools, cordless tools, welding machines, and air compressors, more than 100 models. Each single product will be strictly inspected by the multi-stage quality control procedure, starting from mold injection housing quality control to aluminum casting parts quality control. 90% key parts and components that are made in the workshops are the guarantee for keeping stable quality standards. The most important part, motor, is 100% made by Zhengyang Factory. The company can manufacture OEM products according to the customer's requests. Also, the company has its domestic brand Pigeon, which is well known in Asian market. Also, Zhengyang has its own R&D team, more than 50 engineers, providing strong support for the innovations. Most of the products are certified by CE, GSTUV, EMC, UL, CUL. The company is endorsed by ISO 9001-2015 Quality Control System.